Fendi for Fendi for Fendi, Fendi peach one. 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 Fendi for Fendi for Fendi, Fendi peach one.
So y'all, YouTube seems to strike every type of music I put on here. Even the music that goes from the place where I edit my videos. So I decided to sing my own shit. Fuck you, YouTube. Here's the song. Don't fuck with my neighbor. Never mess with my friends. I hang around. Don't be afraid. Yeah. This white peach candle. I started thinking about that after watching who was it, Alonzo Arnold, when he was singing on one of his videos while doing hair. Then that song popped in my head, and I really like my neighbor, so I was like, don't fuck with my neighbors. Don't mess with my friends. I hang around. Don't be unsure. Don't fuck with my neighbors. They probably sing the same thing. Don't fuck with Miss Peaches. 'Cause we will fuck you up. We'll kick your ass. Her and her husband are so friendly. And those grandchildren and children of hers. Yeah. You will be afraid. Yeah. Okay, anyway, y'all. So those are the pictures of I always got the grandkids around. That's Ari cat. That cat need to go home. Tommy with the baby and Ari and her brother. I got my tools. My baby put me and my baby Hawk in the kitchen sink. Yes, I do. It's better than putting a effing mop in the sink. And you got a dog. Because a lot of nasty people do that. Like, the dogs are nasty. I had to let man go. Anywho, so I didn't upgrade my kitchen too much. I just added a little bit of blue. I wanted y'all to see that kitchen sign that I got off Shein because it does match the decor that is in the dining room, even though it's not gold. Anywho, I had lit that candle with a burner up there on the table. I'm going to show y'all all my cups I got for some of the holidays that passed. Not these. This is old. Kiss Me Uncaffeinated. It broke, but I fixed it back. I'm the best grandma ever. I get that for my birthday. Mom of the world. Moms run the world. I got that for Mother's Day. Reese's cup. I bought that for the hubby, but I took it back. You know I love me some cups. Hand over chocolate. Chocolate lover. I have a lot of mugs. I decided to display them a little bit here, because I like them together and whatever. Yeah, I got these chair covers. They had the little gold in them. I was thinking about putting them over there in my dining room with the dining set, but no. Why do you not have curtains up in the kitchen? Well, the hubby doesn't really like curtains, and I did the best I could with trying to put curtains around. Anywho, I got the little kitchen mat from Didi's or Burlington's. Got a little bit of stuff from Dollar Tree, like that mitten and those two pot holders. Some came from Didi's and Burlington's. I think I even went in Marshall's and got some. Look at the cutie curly Sue and Hello Kitty. Me and the hubby was in Miami. We was in Florida. We was in Wisconsin Dells. Our first Christmas here at this home. I got this refrigerator for my birthday. Yes, ma'am. 2022. Doom 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 doom. Come check this. Doom 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 doom. Come check this. Doom 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 doom. Come check this. Doom 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 doom. Come check this. Come check this. Come check this. Come check this. Doom 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 doom. Come check this. Doom 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 doom. Come check this. Doom 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 doom. Come check this. Doom 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 doom. Check 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 check. Come check this. Doom 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 doom. Come check this. Doom 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 doom. Come check this. Doom 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 doom. Shein. Doom 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 doom. And Walmart. Doom 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 doom. Come check this. Doom 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 doom. Come check this. Come check this. Check this.